Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Android Data Recovery. In this video, we are going to resolve one of the most annoying issues, that is WhatsApp error unable to connect. Please try again later on Android device. Many users have complained about this issue, thus, if you are facing the same problem, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. So, without wasting any further time, let's start the video. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix WhatsApp unable to connect. Please try again later. Check status on Android with 7 best fixes. Solution 1. Restart your WhatsApp app and device. Since the issue is related to app, so the first thing you need to do to resolve this issue is relaunching the WhatsApp app. So, give a fresh start to your app and see if that can fix the problem or not. Besides relaunching the app, you can also restart your Android device. This can help in fixing unable to connect. Please try again later error. Solution 2. Clear WhatsApp app cache and data. Another solution that you can try to fix WhatsApp unable to connect, please try again later, is to clear cache and data of WhatsApp app. For this, you have to navigate to Settings, then Apps and Notifications or App Management. Here you will see all apps and find the WhatsApp. On the Apps page, choose Storage, and then Clear Storage or Clear Data. Finally, restart your phone. Solution 3. Update WhatsApp app. Sometimes an outdated version of WhatsApp app can cause different issues like WhatsApp keeps crashing, WhatsApp backup stuck on preparing, and other errors including unable to connect. Please try again later. Check status. In such cases, you should check for the latest updates and check if the issue solved. In order to do so, you have to open the Google Play Store. Next, click on the profile icon and select the option Manage Apps and Devices. Now under the Updates section, find the WhatsApp app and check for any updates available. If found, tap the Update button to update it. Once updated, open the app and check if WhatsApp error unable to connect, please try again later, is fixed. Solution 4. Force stop WhatsApp. Android provides a convenient feature known as Force Stop. It allows users in order to stop any application that is acting weirdly. Thus, if you want to fix unable to connect, please try again later WhatsApp, then you can use this function. For this, you have to go to the Setting app on your Android phone. Then tap on App Management, App List, and tap on WhatsApp app. Here you will find Force Stop option, just tap on it. Solution 5. Free up storage space on your phone. In most of the cases it has been seen that when the phone's storage is full, it may affect the app's functionality. If your device is not having enough internal storage, this will stop your apps from running smoothly. In order to check the device's storage, you need to go to the Settings, and then make a click on Storage. If you find that the storage is nearly full, then consider deleting unnecessary photos, videos, apps, and others to free up the storage. Or you may use the external SD cards to explore the phone storage. Solution 6. Reset device date and time on Android. Settings of the time and date are one of the most natural things. But, when you fail to do so, you might face some issues including WhatsApp error unable to connect. Please try again later. So, here, in this case, you have to reset the device date and time via Settings. For this, you have to go to the Settings app. Next, scroll down to the Date and Time category and click on it. Here check for your device date and time. If not, click on the Change Date and Time option, and toggle on the button for Set Time Zone automatically. Now, reboot your Android device and check if WhatsApp error unable to connect, please try again later, is solved or not. Solution 7. Use Android Repair Tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve this issue, then there is no better option than using the Android Repair tool. It will help you to fix this problem on phone along with fixing many other apps errors and issues, such as the Snapchat keeps crashing, black or blue screen of death error, and many more. So, I will highly recommend you to use this tool to fix WhatsApp unable to connect please try again later problem. If you want to try this software, then click on the link given in the description box below. So, this is all about fixing WhatsApp error unable to connect please try again later on Android. I hope these solutions will help you in resolving the problem. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users facing the same problem and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.